With car accidents, here's another frequent mistake I see: failing to call the police. Hi, this is DJ Banovitz, Colorado personal injury and accident trial lawyer practicing in Denver, Colorado. Why is failing to call the police a mistake? Perhaps you've been involved in an auto accident and the other driver is saying, let's just exchange information, don't call the police. This should be a big red flag to you about whether or not this other driver intends to take responsibility for the collision. What do you get by calling the police? What you get is an unbiased, objective investigation of what caused the accident and who's at fault. Oftentimes it's the case where folks at the scene of an accident say, geez, don't call the cops, I'll take responsibility. Then when push comes to shove and it's time to move forward with your case, that same individual who promised that they were taking responsibility at the scene of the accident says that they were in no way at fault in the collision. And that's what the insurance company is in part going to rely on, is what their insureds tell them. Now, if you have the police investigate, you end up with an auto accident report, and that auto accident report is a critical tool for any lawyer in determining the strengths and weaknesses of a case and who's at fault. Why am I telling you this? Because if you've been involved in an auto accident, you probably have questions. I handle these types of cases every day, and I have the answers to your questions. So what I want you to do is pick up the phone and call me, DJ Banovitz, at 303-300-5060, or shoot me an email, dj@coloradoinjuryfirm.com, and I guarantee you that I will give you honest answers to your most difficult questions. Thanks for watching.